you guys. This is your girl, and welcome back. So today your girl have a spaghetti mukbang. Well, mukbang, yeah. So you guys, I hope you guys take me on my challenge. Yes. So let me show you guys my nails. Just something simple, close up. Okay. And the other hand the same way. But yeah, I hope you guys take me on my challenge. The red hot sausage. Yes, so you guys want some? Let me give you some. The first bite. Oh, here you go. Oh, the sausage is, hey. Oh, I want you to get a hold of it. Yeah, go ahead. This is an old ring that my daughter had gave me, my oldest. Cause y'all, I was hungry. I have some ice water here. So yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know, how do you like the display of the food as far as it being on, you know, up close and personal, I guess you can say. Oh, wait a minute, let me adjust it. Okay, well, nevertheless, so yes, you guys, I've been really enjoying everyone. But I have been having a problem with my network. So every time someone will, you know, we subscribe to each other, it was a network 503. Couldn't figure out for the life of me what that meant. So I had to go into the YouTube studio and thing, and I still could not get it. Well, finally I got it. So yeah, you guys, I can press the subscribe button now. And yeah, they didn't give me that community tab. And you know, I gained a couple of subscribers. I gained a couple of subscribers. So yeah. So I just want to touch base with you guys. So good. working with this new camera is a dozer. That's a clunk of cheese. I don't want none like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, so they gave me the community tab. And it's this couple that I share, and I love them. They're so real and down to earth. Not that the rest of you guys is not, but as long as you comment on my page and you don't have that community button, which I don't know, but if you know, I'm here to help support, you know, do my job as a subscriber to your channel. So yeah, as long as I see your name in my comment area off there, and I'm loving on you, cuz, and you loving on me, I'm gonna smash that community button. I'm gonna smash it. And I'm gonna share. I don't care how many subscribers you got. If that content good enough for me to view, it's good enough for everybody. And don't get me wrong. You know, I ain't knocking nobody that don't use them. Or they just want to put the shine on just them. I'm for helping others as well. And I know you guys saw the post I put out. I hope you did. And I know you saw the couple that I put up. Because they had me tickled. The last couple of videos I've been watching of theirs, they just had me tickled. And I just like them, you know. And I wanted to see, you know, basically what happened. And with my opinion, I think they got a little recognition. I think so. Well, I ain't gonna say I think so. I know they did. I know they did. And I'm out here to help. Yes, this is really good. But I ain't gonna be able to eat all that spaghetti. Who loves garlic salt? This is the best to me. Oh, excuse me, there go that belching again. Oh, excuse me, y'all. And I'm loving on my new camera. Okay, I love it. So if you're viewing this video for the first time, I don't know why I don't say it at the beginning, but if you're viewing this video at the first time, please thumbs it straight up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm surely gonna check into yours. And yes, share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what I am doing on my channel. Because if you got cuz got you. You hear me? Do not sleep on me. I don't like no sleeper. We all in here. Yeah. So with this being said, you guys, well, I feel like there's something I meant to tell you guys. You know, when I was a kid, bread used to be my favorite thing. My mama and my daddy used to tell me and my twin they had to buy 2 and 3 loaves of bread in a week because me and my twin would eat up all the bread. We would eat up all the bread. When I tell you, we love bread. We did. We love bread. But as an adult, I don't too much care for white bread. You know, wheat is my thing, but even then I got to cut back on it, you know. But they used to have us told us how we used to get the bread and just sit in the corner and eat slices of bread. Now don't get me wrong, we had food. We had food, but we were bread lovers. And it take all the family to tell anybody. We love the bread like that. Cornbread, I still love it to this day. Cornbread and some Kool-Aid. And the Kool-Aid has to be red. And as long as you got some butter bread, your girl will sit there and eat her some cornbread and red Kool-Aid. But do you know the funny thing about it? Is I will not too much care for a red pop. Isn't that amazing? How can you drink red Kool-Aid, which I haven't had Kool-Aid in years, but how could you drink red Kool-Aid but don't drink a red pop? I mean, I don't know. For the life of me, that's the way I am. And yeah, you know, I don't know what it was about that. That's crazy. Well, you guys, I ain't had enough of this spaghetti. My bread though. But I want you guys to have a beautiful day, okay? And I'll check all of you out, cuz I'm coming to your houses. Bye.